Hello friends, I am Dr. Viren from Unique Shiksha. I welcome you all in a stellar Civil Servant series. The purpose of the series is to invoke and satisfy your curiosity about the life challenges that a civil servant faces. So just be the part of this interesting journey. Nath Chaturvedi, popularly known as T.N. Chaturvedi, was not only a bureaucrat and politician but also a scholar at par. Mr. T.N. Chaturvedi was born in Kannauj district of Uttar Pradesh on 18 January 1928. He pursued his MA LLB from Allahabad University. He joined Indian Administrative Services in 1950 from Rajasthan cadre. Throughout his life and career, Mr. T.N. Chaturvedi manifested core attributes of a true administrator. He exhibited integrity. It is the highest level of honesty which a civil servant must have. He also manifested public accountability throughout his career, particularly when he was acting as the Comptroller and Auditor General of India. It is feeling that all civil servants are ultimately there to serve the public purpose and they are accountable to them. As far as impartiality is concerned, as a bureaucrat and a Comptroller Auditor General of India, Mr. T.N. Chaturvedi sorted out things in impartial manner without according any favor even to the government of the day. It is very interesting to note that Mr. T.N. Chaturvedi during his professional life has played a variety of roles. He joined as a IAS officer and he has worked at different administrative positions from Joint Director to Home Secretary. After that, he was appointed as Comptroller and Auditor General of India, which itself a very important constitutional position as these institutions keep the executive accountable to the parliament in financial matters. Apart from this, Mr. T.N. Chaturvedi was elected twice to Rajya Sabha, once in 1992 and other is 2008. During this period, he has been associated with several parliamentary committees and contributed to policy formulation. Besides that, he also acted as the governor of Karnataka and served as a head of state. As a MP to Rajya Sabha, Mr. T.N. Chaturvedi has been very active. He has been associated with a variety of parliamentary committees. For example, he was member of Joint Parliamentary Committee. He was also a member of Committee on Finance, Public Account Committee, and Committee on Defense and External Affairs. Basically, these committees are very important for the functioning of the parliament. Therefore, the parliament constitutes several committees in order to support the policy formulation, and these committees have members from all the parties on proportional basis. So these committees are very helpful in guiding the parliament to take a right decision. And in these committees, Mr. T.N. Chaturvedi has played a very important role. As a bureaucrat, Mr. T.N. Chaturvedi has served various administrative positions from Joint Director to Home Secretary, Government of India. Therefore, he got a very extensive as well as intensive work experience which helped him to serve as a policy maker in Parliament as well. After having a great career as a civil servant, Mr. T.N. Chaturvedi was also appointed the Comptroller and Auditor General of India. This institution conducts audit of the accounts of the union government and the state governments as well. In one of his audit report, Mr. T.N. Chaturvedi exposed Bofor's scam, and despite the immense pressure from the ruling party and the government, Mr. T.N. Chaturvedi stood to his stand. So it shows his impeccable integrity, honesty, and neutrality while handling his roles and responsibilities. So a lot can be learned from T.N. Chaturvedi that a civil servant can have in his life and career. Friends, so far we have seen that Mr. T.N. Chaturvedi has worked on several administrative positions. He has also been a Comptroller and Auditor General of India and the Governor of the Karnataka state. Beside these positions and roles, he was a scholar at par, and he was the director of Indian Institute of Public Administration, where he also worked as an editor to Indian Journal of Public Administration for 3 decades. Besides these achievements, he has also authored Transfer of Technology Among Developing Countries and Comparative Public Administration. Beside these 2 books, he has also contributed in writings in the advancement of the public administration as a discipline. For his neutral auditing and integrity, Mr. T.N. Chaturvedi was awarded Plaque of Appreciation in Manila in 1987 for auditing and public administration. For working in public service, he was also awarded Padma Vibhushan in 1991. So we can see that how Mr. T.N. Chaturvedi scaled excellence in his life and career. So a lot of things can be learned from Mr. T.N. Chaturvedi for coming IAS officers. So with these words, we wish you a great career ahead in civil services. Thank you. Thank you very much. Friends, if you are interested for quality education and guidance, you can join our IAS Life Foundation course by Unique Shiksha. You can also register yourself as uniqueshiksha.com for online foundation course, a 7-day free trial. Friends, if you want to keep watching these videos, please subscribe our channel and like, share and comment. Thank you for watching.